Welcome back and welcome to Geometry Homework Helper. This is lesson 1.4. If you do not use the same textbook, that's totally fine because the concept and the foundations, they never change. They're exactly the same. Alright, this is a skill 1. I would like to show you how to name an angle, and we're going to find the vertex of the angle and the two sides of the angle. Okay, let us look at our example 1. Example 1, let's go ahead and find the vertex. Here's a vertex. Vertex of the angle. If you consider these two sides, that's a ray and that's a ray, right? So, being the angle, the end point of the ray is its vertex. So in this first example, the vertex is the end point, O. And the sides, two sides of the angle are the two rays. Ray 1, OD. I hope you're writing down OD. That's one side. The other side is ray OG. And the vertex is point O. When you write down, you just write down point O. I'm going to erase this so it won't appear too busy for you. Alright, we took care of the vertex and the two sides of the angle. Now, let's name this beautiful angle different ways. The first way is super simple. I'm going to just use the vertex to name it because there's only one angle here. Therefore, I can say this is angle O. And today you saw how we use the symbol to say the word angle, angle O. Remember, you can only do this when there's only one angle. For example, now you have one angle, two angles, and three angles here. You should not use this method, only use the vertex. Alright, the second way we can name it is we're going to use three letters. We can call angle DOG. Let's write down angle DOG. We can also reverse the order. We see angle GOD. And plus the one, we said angle O. We are done for the first one. Let us erase the first one. If you're interested, go ahead and try the second one all by yourself. Okay, I assume that you have tried or attempted to solve this. I'm gonna make this angle better by adding this arrow because the definition of angle is the vertex. Vertex is the end point. Point A is the vertex. Two sides are rays. So I have ray AC and ray AT. Now I'm going to name this angle since there is only one. I shall call it angle O if I like. I can also call angle cat. I can also reverse the order. I can say angle TAC. Now we're done with the second question. If you want, go ahead and try the third one all by yourself. Okay, I assume that you tried the third one all by yourself, and I know that you are doing a great job. If you are confused a little bit, please keep following me. This is a straight line, right? Straight line is a straight angle. Straight angle is 180 degrees. Now you got a little bit more information about this. Let's go back to finding the vertex and two sides. Oh, we don't have the name for the vertex. We can call it B. Okay? Now vertex is B. Of course, you can say any name you want to name. Here you can use any letter except A and C. So I call it B. Now, since this is just one angle, there's no other rays coming out of it. If there's other rays, I can call E, I can call F. I have more than one angle now. I will not be able to use just use one letter to name it method. Since I only have one angle here, I can call it angle B. I can call it angle ABC, angle CBA. Okay, let's do not forget about right two sides of this angle. We shall call it ray BA and ray BC. That is the skill 1 for lesson 1.4. I hope you know how to name an angle, find the vertex, and choose sides of angle. Happy learning!